everyone, welcome back. The rainy season has started. It's just the perfect time to start making more hot drinks. Today I'm going to share with you how to make hot tea, milk tea. I'm going to show you two different ways. One is tea with milk and the other is tea latte, that means milk with tea. And for this purpose, I am going to use the Thai tea. If you do not have Thai tea, you can also use any black tea, green tea or oolong tea that you have available and use the same procedure. We are going to start by making our authentic hot Thai milk tea. For this, we are going to boil hot water. I am just using a hot plate here for demonstration purposes. I'm going to use a tea sock strainer. This is very, very well used. It is not dirty. And I'm going to use one heap of Thai tea. I'm going to dip my tea sock there and wait to steep for about 5 minutes. And you can keep it on low heat, not boiling, just low heat, so that while you are steeping the tea, it is kept warm the whole time. Because I am going to make tea latte, I will also be using fresh milk, which I am going to warm for my tea latte. So I can also put this on my hot plate. Whilst we are waiting for our milk to warm up, I am going to prepare my cup for my hot Thai milk tea the traditional way, and that means I use 1 ounce of sweetened condensed milk, put it at the bottom of my cup. So our tea is still warm off the hot plate, and also our milk. I'll just keep it there for a bit. And now I am going to make my hot Thai milk tea. It's very, very simple. All I have to do is to pour tea over, fill it to the top, and that is your Thai milk tea. So for the tea latte, we are going to put half a cup of tea. Let's put 1/2 cup, and if it's not enough, you can squeeze the tea out of your tea sock. Get your warm milk off the microwave or your hot plate. Get that frothy top. Beautiful, shiny milk foam. And pour your milk here into your tea latte. And then get the foam on top. So you get a really, really lovely milky foam. And for your other hot tea, if you still have extra milk foam, you can just add it there to make it look even more appetizing. For this, because we didn't put any sugar at all, you can give them optional sugar in sachet and put a teaspoon, and that completes your hot Thai milk tea and hot Thai tea latte. Try it. Very, very energizing. You can adjust the sweetness level. You can reduce your sweetened condensed milk from 2 tablespoons to 1 tablespoon. But this is the perfect recipe for commercial purpose. This one is sugar-free, just fresh milk. So once again, you can give it a stir or you just drink through the foam. I like this. No sweetener at all. As a bonus, I'm going to show you how to make tea latte using an espresso machine. So come and have a look. Make sure your basket is dry. And for this, I am going to use my blend of Thai tea once again. So use 1 regular scoop, level scoop of the Thai tea into your filter basket. And then we are going to brew our tea. slow for a bit and then wait until the tea steeps a little bit longer so that you get more juice out of the tea. The tea will expand in the filter basket and we're going to pull more shots later. So whilst we are waiting, I am going to prepare my milk because we are going to make a tea latte, so we are going to make the foam. Okay, so once again, I've got my steaming jug. I put fresh milk up to the bottom of the spout, so right there. And then I'm going to steam this milk. So first, purge the steam one, make sure the water is all gone, and then wipe the steam one, and then we are going to start our steaming process. You go once again, purge and wipe the steam one. So I'm going to now pull the rest of my tea shots. Okay, that's about it. The tea is smelling gorgeous. Thai tea latte using the espresso machine. There you go. Very, very simple procedure to make hot Thai milk tea and hot Thai tea latte. You can use a similar procedure for other black tea or green tea that you would like to make. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. I'll see you again in my next video. In the meantime, stay safe, stay dry. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.